Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick Edmonton. Today we are going to check out the 2022 BMW X2 xDrive28i, which comes in a white exterior and a black interior. Under the hood, it has a 2.0-liter twin-power turbo engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It has tons of cool features like ambient lighting, heated front seats, powered sunroof, and much more. Come with me as we take a look inside this vehicle. Starting with the front door panel, we get this beautiful black trim. On the top of the door panel are the door lock and lock buttons. Over here are the power window controls and the mirror controls. At the bottom is the button to open the trunk. Moving inside are the interior lighting controls. And now we can have a full look at these beautiful black leather seats. At the bottom are the memory seat controls, lumbar adjustment button and power seat controls. Now let's take a look from the inside. On the left of the steering wheel are the cruise control settings, and on the right are some directional control buttons. We also get this sunroof. Now let's take a look at the entertainment screen. First is the audio system, where we can choose between FM, AM, Bluetooth and more. We also get inbuilt navigation system to help us navigate around the city, and we also get this map which tells us the directions. We can connect our devices, both Apple and Android. At the bottom are some climate control buttons with heated front seat buttons on both the sides. We also get dual cup holders, a cigarette lighter, gearbox selector, drive mode selector, electronic parking brake, and the buttons to control the screen from here. Under the armrest, we also get some additional storage space. Coming outside, this BMW comes in a white exterior. In the front, we get the BMW logo. On the sides are the LED headlamps, and this vehicle comes with silver color wheels. We also get paint matte side mirror covers with turn signal indicators, and we also get paint matched door handles. Moving to the back of the vehicle, let's check out the trunk. And as we can see, we have plenty of storage space inside the trunk. We also get some tie downs on both the sides and lights in the back of the trunk. And we can also pick this up for some additional storage space. Finally, coming to the rear interior, we get the same black trim. On the top of the door panel are the power window controls. Behind the front seats, we get some additional maximum storage space on both the sides. Behind the center console are the climate vents for the rear passengers and 2 charging outlets. And we get the same black leather trim in the rear seats as well. We also get dual cup holders for our rear passengers, and we can also close this for an additional space. Thank you for joining me as we had a quick look at this 2022 BMW xDrive28i. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.